Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous day and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, this is the Friday freebie. It's a lovely free printable. It's a background with some travel sunglasses. So now this freebie here has been designed by one of my VIP lounge membership digital papers for the month of July. In case you're new to my channel, my VIP lounge is simply a monthly membership, which from the price of £2, yes, £2, you don't even get a coffee nowadays on £2 here in the UK. You get loads of digital papers. So before I show you how to get this lovely freebie, let me showcase everything that you get when you join my VIP lounge membership for the month of July. The first collection of papers that you get when you join in July is called Summer Travels. Summer Travels is a collection, is loads of papers, quite a few actually, full of background, ephemera, etc. Just going to show you page by page really quickly. There's a lot of flowers, there is a lot of bright colors, there's a lot of feminine details, etc. This kit was requested by the lovely Natasha. Natasha's asked me if I can design something pretty quite feminine with a holiday theme. So I was like, yes, leave it with me. So Natasha, I hope you enjoy this kit. So we got a background, we got ephemera, the lovely postcards. We're going to do a video with this soon. One with a feminine girl. That's, I think, what, when Natasha was describing the theme, I think that's what she meant. We got some tabs that you can fussy cut to put on a journal. Another background. We've got some embellishment here, so we've got some butterflies on each side, and over with the glasses, and of course the maps. Another lovely background. The color palette all mix and match together. It's all like purple and pinks. Envelopes, so we've got your traditional envelope and scallop envelope here. This is my favorite page. We're gonna do another video with this as well, because I want to use my die cut as well. I've got some ideas I want to do with those, but I've done the hard work for you. Just need to fussy cut it. Another background, and then another page. Of course, you can make journals by folding this in half. This will be your cover, front and back, or you can fussy cut the elements, or you can fussy cut each element. Do what you pleased. Another background, some tags. I love the drink. I could do with one of that. Okay, so this is a very large kit. Also, every month you get a set of tags / bookmarks, because I wanted to keep it with the same kind of like floral, same color palette. I'm giving you a collection of bookmarks with some dragonflies and some water lilies. So I hope you enjoy playing with this. Again, these are designed to be bookmarks, but also you can make tags or like little ephemera pieces. Also, every month you get a 3D gift box. Now, we finished the alphabet, so we've done letter A to letter Z. No, I think we've done everything, and I'm going to show you the alphabet very quickly. My VIP members got the alphabet 3D gift boxes for free. Of course, now they are available on my website for you guys, for everybody to buy. But now we've done the alphabet, and now we started with the numbers. So the first number, of course, is number 0, and this is what it looks like. So you also get the page with the instruction. You just need to print this twice, because you got your front 0 and your back 0, which is completely symmetrical, and then you got all your tabs. And let me show you what that number 0 looks like when it's done up. Okay, so that's what it looks like when it's done up, and I just put the butterflies on top, and of course all the 3D gift boxes stand up on its own. Okay, and to show you very quickly what the alphabet look like, I'm just gonna speed it up for you. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month. that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R, S, lovely like velvet florally, and then T. Then we've got U and V. And then letter W, X, N. Also, every month you receive a digital magazine. Now, this month you get a copy of the British Glamour. This is from SS20 and it gives you 199 pages. Of course, this is a magazine that you can read on your desktop or iPad, or also you can print pages like this, for example, full of colors, full of florals, and use as a mixed media or as a base for your project and also for your junk journals as well. Last but not least is a little gift. Every month I send you a gift to all my VIP members. Normally is another collection. Now this is a mini collection, and we were watching Beauty and the Beast on we got a DVD, me and Jamie, and the live action movie, not the cartoon, and I was fascinated by the Beast, and he has a lot of like details, so I thought create a little paper packs for people like myself. They like that sort of like elegance, rich renaissance, and then I just put some animals. I done something very similar last year, but not as opulent as this. So you got, these are designed to be separate pages, but again you can use it as covers if you make like notebooks or journals, or you can fussy cut them. So you got the one with the peacock. I love him, he's so cute. Yeah, there's a lot of like details, and that's the last one when we got the giraffe, and they're quite shabby, I want to say, quite French inspired, because Beauty of the Beast is kind of like filmed in France because of Belle. So yeah, I just hope you like it. Okay, so now you saw the papers, let me just share where you get your hands on this lovely freebie. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week, so just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there, so you see all my papers. Okay, so I merged all my papers into bundles, so you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc. Then you have my books. Love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Because these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then you have my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We're doing alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video, and I'm looking forward to having you part of my VIP lounge. And you become a member, you get loads of different goodies, digital papers, discount codes, etc, etc. Guys, have a wonderful day, have a fabulous crafty weekend, and until next week, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.